In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram ad post to your story missing or not showing bug. So this is actually a very annoying bug, and I'm going to show you how you can actually fix this in a few simple steps. So right now I'm on Instagram, but the first thing you can do in order to solve this problem is go to your app or Play Store and actually find out if you're able to update Instagram. So this is one of the first ways to actually solve this problem. So you want to go to your app or Play Store and you want to search for Instagram and check if there's an update available. So right now for me, there's no update available. If there's an update available, it will say update instead of open. So if you're in the App Store or Play Store and you can update Instagram, then make sure you go do that. That will probably save the problem. If you're not able to update Instagram, you can go to your settings on your phone. Let me do that right now. Settings right there, and then you want to find app management. So I'm going to click right there on apps, and then I'm going to find Instagram in this list from all my apps. So let me find Instagram right now. Nope, not there. There you go. Then next up, you actually want to click on storage and you want to clear data. So you can do that by clicking on OK. Then you want to scroll down to permissions and you actually want to pick all of these. And then next up, you want to open Instagram again. And then you would have to sign in, which is exactly what I'm going to do right now. And that's how I was able to solve this problem. Now, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. And I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Peace out.